Morning, gang. Alfred Einstein here. Hope you guys are having a great day. This is sort of an impromptu recording that was prompted by an email I received this morning from, as you can see, Inman News. Inman is an aggregator of online real estate information. They have a lot of brokers and agents and other big CEO dudes that are sending little articles into Inman, and they get published, and it's kind of fun. Every once in a while, I'll get a little piece of information that I could use somewhere, maybe in my garden or when I'm roofing. But the point is that they sent me an article this morning that is right on point, and I'm hoping that I can get some of you guys to finally wake up. But let's go ahead and read some of the things. My biggest problem with Inman is they don't tell an agent how to make money. You can't learn how to make money. And let's go over some of the articles this morning and we'll see. 71% of consumers expect personalized service, and here's how to deliver it. Not a word about how to make money. Well, I have to sell real estate till I'm 70. We're going to come back to that. Busy CRE professionals see real benefits of a big brand. These guys are commercial brokers. I don't do commercial, but if you do, good for you. Revives new product looks to give listing agents an edge over other agents. Good for you. Is your real estate website up to snuff? 5 can't miss essentials. 30 plus year-end marketing ideas to help you stand out. How agents can take part in the real estate as entertainment trend. That's today's articles. Oh, healing the home. How some real estate pros are turning to Feng Shui in an uncertain market. I didn't even read that because I don't know what Feng Shui is. Reach more leads in less time. This CEO says yes. And Fannie and Freddie have the green light to buy $1 million worth of mortgages. Well, that's cool. But there's nothing there how to make money. This is just a fluff-filled email. But there was the one article that I want to talk about for a quick second that makes my point exactly. And here it is. Will I have to sell real estate till I'm 70? Now, that's not going to teach you how to make money. And it would have been better served if the article was entitled, should I have learned how to invest in real estate myself when I was 35? So I don't have to sell for other people until I'm 70. And the article goes on to teach you how to save money and what portion you're supposed to pay for your taxes and all the rest of that honky-donkey stuff. But it doesn't teach you that you should look to expand your horizons. This coming year is going to be the best year that you can possibly come up with to work on new ideas. The market is going to update in 23. You need to update your career as well. So think about it. Will I have to sell real estate till I'm 70, or should I have learned how to invest in real estate when I was 35? And the answer is yes. And it's never too late. Start now. Go to my website. That's my YouTube channel. Pockets of Specialized Knowledge is my YouTube channel. Everything that I know, I can give it to you as long as you hang your ticket there. If you're in Orlando, great. I'd love to talk to you, love to see you. My phone number is 954-593-3550. Come and see me at Ameriteam, and we can work something out. And I promise you'll never have to ask yourself, will I have to sell real estate till I'm 70? Because I'll teach you how to invest, whatever you'd like to do in the investment field. I'd love to talk to you. Anyways, have a great, whatever day today is. Today's the 30th. Have a great day. I just couldn't wait to put this on the air. All right, man. Thanks.